In this video, we're going to decide what best graph to use for this problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, what type of graph would you use to show ice cream cones purchased in a week? 85 cones were sold on Saturday, 0 were sold on Sunday and Monday, 70 were sold on Tuesday, 80 were sold on Wednesday, 70 were sold on Thursday. So would you use a stem and leaf plot, a line graph, a circle graph, or a pictograph? And for this particular one, the best graph to show the change over time is a line graph. And we're showing change over time. So from Saturday to Thursday, we're trying to see on a graph how many ice cream cones were sold. And the best way to do that is with a line graph. And that's the end of this lesson. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.